Hello, this tutorial is on how to pose questions to your students. So I'm already logged into Google Classroom and I am on my classwork tab. We're going to go to Create Question. Once in here, you can type the question, and if you have any more instructions, you can add those. Now, the default question type is short answer, but you can change it to multiple choice and you can add options. Once you have created your question, you can decide which class or classes you would like to ask that in and which students you would like to see the question. If you want to grade it, you can assign the point number, you can assign a due date for students to respond, and if you have topics in your classroom, you can choose to put it under a topic. This doesn't fit for my short stories unit, so I'm not going to do one for that. I think instead we'll create a topic. So this is a place that I can do that. Because this question isn't about material and I want my students to engage, we'll call it Just for Fun. And then you have two options. Students can reply to each other. This allows you to have an actual kind of blog post type discussions, and you can let students edit their answer if you want them to be able to go back in and change things. When you're finished, you can either ask it and it will post right away, or you can schedule it for later, save as a draft to come back to and finish up later, or delete it if you decide you don't like it after all. I'm going to click Ask. So you'll see the new topic I created showed up along with the question. Pulling up the student side, you'll see that the new question appeared in their stream and appeared under their classwork. So the student will have an opportunity to go in, view the question, and type their response, making this full screen. Students sometimes say that they put a response and you can't read it as the teacher in your list. That means they typed here instead of right here. So make sure you tell them, type under where it says your answer. Once the student types their response, they will click Turn In. They'll see that their answer is there. And if you go back and you view, you'll see you have one turned in. And if you open it, you'll be able to see what the student put. And you can even reply to it if you want to. And as students complete the assignment, more will show up, real time. I hope that you enjoyed the discussions that you can have on Classroom.